guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you what I carry in my college backpack. So I am a college student and I am currently a junior and I am pursuing my bachelor's in computer engineering. So yeah, but before that, my name is Rumi and welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Plus, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So this is the bag which I carry on a day-to-day basis, and it is from Guess. And first thing which I would like to show you is this pretty hamster. So this is keychain, and which I got from AliExpress, and I liked it so much, so I put it in my bag. And yeah, look at it, guys, it's so cute. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you what all I carry in this bag. So first of all, I have my laptop sleeve. This is a very cute panda, and here I guess you can have your earphones here, but I don't keep it here. And it's so pretty, look at it, guys. So at the back it opens up like this, and there I have my laptop. So this is so it is the MacBook Pro, and yeah, I use it for my computer programming labs. And this is a very beautiful marble pattern. So the laptop sleeve here, which you see, is a very beautiful marble case pattern, which I again got from AliExpress. And they had similar one. They had a white background at the back, but I took it off because I like my laptop like this. So I didn't put anything on the back side. So that's how my laptop looks with the marble sleeve on, with the marble case on. So yeah. Next thing which I would like to show you is my iPad sleeve case. This is a very beautiful iPad sleeve case from Verabradley. I don't remember the name of the pattern on the top of my head, but it's a retired pattern, and as you can see, it has very beautiful green, yellow, blue patterns. And I got this from eBay, I guess for $7-8, something like that, since it was a retired pattern, so I got it very cheap from eBay. Now let me go ahead and show you my iPad. So this is the iPad which I carry, and it is the iPad Pro 10.5 inch, and it's a 256 gig iPad Pro. And the iPad sleeve which you see here, I got it from Amazon for again $10 to $12. And let me go ahead and show you. So when I open it, my iPad also lights up. So that's what I really like about it. And the back of the iPad sleeve looks like this. I will try to link all the products mentioned in this video in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. So yeah, this is the iPad Pro which I carry to my college every day, and I started using it, I guess, since last 1 year. And I can say when I started using it, my life becomes so much easier. Earlier, I used to carry books, notebooks with me, and oh my god, my bag was so heavy, so heavy. So after I started carrying this, I mean, I use it for my everyday notes. I download online books in it and I study from there. So it has made my life so much easier. I mean, I love this. I can tell you from my personal experience how hard my life was when I didn't had this, and I was using the regular notebook and books. So yeah, it is a lifesaver, guys. So if you want to buy a similar iPad, I mean, I would say please buy it during the September month, because then Apple always has new iPads coming, and they also have a very good discount for college students. So just look out for those discounts. So yeah, and I really love this one. And along with it came my Apple Pencil. So this is the one which I'm using, and the cover also I got from Amazon. And so it protects, the cap just opens up like this and it protects my pencil. Both these things go into this iPad sleeve, and that's it. So I carry my laptop only when I have my labs, computer programming labs. Otherwise, I just carry this iPad and that's it. Really, guys. The next thing which I would like to show you is a calculator. So I guess all engineering students can relate to it. So I mean, every engineering student has a calculator in their bag. I have the TI-83 Plus, which I use for my math and other calculations. So yeah, I don't think I need to give you any detail on this, because I guess all of you, I mean, most of the engineering students know about it. So yeah. Now the next thing which I carry is a pencil box, and this is a very beautiful pencil box from Verabradley again. And I'm sorry guys, I don't remember the name of the pattern. I will try to link it in the description. I would try to link all the names of the patterns in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. So I carry a pencil box just in case some professors give quizzes or tests on paper, and then you have to write it with a pen or paper, and I don't like asking people for those things, so I just carry mine. So I have pencil, eraser, some colored pens. Yeah, I have a thing for colored pens, and some more pens. So yeah. Next thing, which is most important, without which I think nobody can function. So I have my phone with me, and this is the phone which I carry. So yeah, no, I mean, there's nothing much to talk about it. And again, a wallet, a very simple basic wallet where I keep my change and my cards. And this is where I keep my college ID card. The first big compartment is empty. Now I'll go ahead and show you the other compartment. So here I see my glasses. So I don't wear glasses, but recently since last semester I started wearing these glasses. So these are from J&S, and these do not have any power, but I use it since they protect the blue light from computers, projectors, and iPads plus phones as well. So I use it because recently I started feeling some irritation in my eyes, because I have to keep looking at all those devices all day long. So I started using it. It doesn't have any power. and it looks like this on me. So yeah. So the next thing which I see is of course house keys, and nobody can function without house keys. So this has a very cute pom-pom which I like to hold sometimes, and then I have 3 crochet hooks in my keychain. So the people who know me, they know how big crocheter I am, and I love to crochet anytime, anywhere. So I always keep these in handy. So yeah, and this is a very cute dog. And yeah, next thing which I would like to show you are, so I'm doing all this in a random manner, whatever comes to my hand first, I'm just picking out those things. So the next thing is band-aids. It's very important. You should definitely have some in your bag. Thing after this I see is a hand cream. A hand cream is very important during the winter months, and so yeah, that's what I carry, and I really love this one. I have some medicines, so this is what I carry because I have motion sickness. So whenever I travel by bus or sometimes even by car, I have motion sickness. I feel dizzy, so this is what I always keep in my bag. The next thing after this is a fragrance mist, and it is from Victoria's Secret. I just keep one fragrance mist in my bag. I mean, everyone wants to smell good, right? So what I like about this fragrance mist is this is made from a plastic bottle, so I need not worry that it will break in my bag. So I just and it's a travel mist, so yeah, it's perfect for everyday travel. So that's why I carry this in my bag. The next thing after this is wooden comb. I know it's a teeny tiny cute wooden comb which I carry in my bag. I like to use wooden combs because I think plastic is not good for your scalp, and so I carry a wooden comb because it's natural and it's good for stimulation, for nourishing your scalp. So yeah, that's what I always carry in my bag. After this I see 2 lip balms. I always have 2 lip balms in my bag. This one is from EOS, and the second one is from Body Shop, and it's their Born Lippy in watermelon flavor. So the next thing after this is a hand sanitizer. I cannot say much. I know everyone of you know the importance of a hand sanitizer. After this I see a small Verabradley cosmetic pouch, and this is again a very beautiful pattern, and I got it from eBay again. And let me go ahead and show you what all I carry. So I have a Tarte eyeliner, and then I have a Studio Fix MAC foundation. I have a Rinse Lip Comforter oil. Suppose I don't want to use my lip balm and my lips are really dry, so I use this lip comforter oil, and it's amazing, guys. I guess this has honey, that's why it's yellow, and I really love this one. And the next thing which I carry is Lakme Sun Expert Compact. So it's their ultra matte compact, and this only comes in one shade. I would like to go ahead and show you. So this has a mirror, and it is just one shade. Very good thing about it, which I really like, is that it has SPF 40 and it protects you against UVA and UVB rays. Okay, and then I have 3 lipsticks in this pouch. So this one is from Revlon, and it's their Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. I really love this one. I'm a big fan of this one, and it's called 655 HD Kisses. This is a matte lipstick, and it is a very beautiful brown shade, and I really like this one. Next lipstick which I have is from Katy Perry CoverGirl, and it's again a matte lipstick, and this is Couture KP10. This is again a very beautiful brown lipstick. Other one which I carry is again from Cat Matte, and it is called the Magenta Minx KP03. So these three lipsticks are always in my bag because they are quite in the nuder or light pinkish side, so I carry them for like a fresh look. So yeah, I have some scrunchies and some hair clips, which I guess every girl has in their bag, and I have some fresh mints in my bag. Last, I have my Beats earphones. So these ones I got, I guess, when I bought my iPad. So they were like they were free with the iPad, so I got these when I got my iPad. And yeah, it looks like this, connected with Bluetooth from your phone. So yeah, I have always these in my bag, and the USB connector to charge these if they are out of charge. So yeah, these once charged they last for pretty long days. So I have this also in my bag. My bag is totally empty now. I don't have anything else. So yeah, that's all I have in my backpack. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Plus, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, and have fun and have a great semester ahead. Thank you so much, guys.